Day 4, baby bird update. Look who I saw hanging around. It's their dad. He is keeping a watchful eye over them. Look how pretty he is. All right, now's our chance. Let's go take a look at the babies while he's looking for worms or bugs or whatever. Oh my goodness. Look at those little guys. They look so healthy. They're growing in all their fuzz. Still got a clean nest. Alright, until tomorrow. Dad's still keeping a watchful eye out.